In this video, we will be speaking about a bank that might be better than Navy Federal. Now we have First Flight Federal Credit Union. Now, this bank offers a variety of different lending options for you. They have mortgages, checking, also business accounts, loans, and online services. Now, their mortgage loans is as low as 6%. Their auto loan is as low as 4%, and their standard certificates are as high as 4.23%. Now, they do offer a lot of different lending options. So, whether or not you are a um, customer with this First Flight Credit Union or not, to apply, it is very simple and easy, which we will go over shortly. Right now, they have some promotions that is available, but this is only for a short period of time. Now, we're going to go ahead and talk about their mortgage rates if you are looking to buy a home pretty soon, or if you are a first time home buyer or experienced home buyer, or if you're looking to refinance. They have probably some of the best rates I've seen so far coming into 2025. Now, they have fixed and adjustable rates mortgages. They also offer FHA and VA loans, jumbo loans, and lot loans. Okay. So if you are a first time home buyer or again experienced home buyer refinancing your existing mortgage, or if you're looking for a home equity loan in line of credit, you probably should look more into this bank because they offer a lower APR. Now, the mortgage process is very simple and straightforward, even though when we are applying for new credit and especially a mortgage loan, it can be a lot difficult because it is a big process. But with them, they try to make everything easy for you and they call right away as soon as you submit your application just to hurry up and to get things started so it won't be too long of a process. Now, you can pre qualify, which gives you an estimate of your borrowing power. The estimate is based only on the information you provided and is not verified by First Flight. Okay, so hear me again. This estimate of your borrowing power is only based off the information you provided and has not been yet verified by First Flight. So you want to make sure that all of the information that you are giving them are correct. Okay, now step two will be the mortgage application. This form will ask you details, information about you, your employment record, and the home you are purchasing. During this step, you may also be asked to provide certain documentation, including your W 2 or paycheck stubs, and the purchase contract, which is the offer to purchase. The third right or the third thing will be the underwriting process. So they evaluate your credit history, your income, um, and look at your debt and all of those things in order to go ahead and send it over to underwriting. They look at your collateral, your credit. So in order to ensure you have a credit or you have history of paying your obligations on time, your credit history is also evaluated. Now, the fourth step will be processing. So, processing your loan involves a collection of all the outstanding documents that are needed to satisfy all the conditions set forth by underwriting. Okay, so again, before you start this process, if you are looking for a home loan, I would definitely recommend First Flight because they have that low rate that we are all looking for. Okay, so there is a few ways that you can go ahead and apply for this loan, it would either be apply for a mortgage online, or you can give them a call with their phone number that is listed on the website, or you can visit a local a financial center. Now we're going to go ahead as well and talk about how do you join. Now, to join First Flight Federal Credit Union, it is very easy and simple. You're going to go to their website. You're going to click join. Then it's going to ask you to become a member today. Open a deposit account with First Flight Federal Credit Union. They're going to ask you 6 questions. So the first one is, do you currently live in Central or Eastern North Carolina? It must be a yes, or they would not let you proceed on. They're then going to ask you for your first name, John, last name, Doe. We're going to go ahead and click continue. Don't literally put your legit name, but I'm just giving you guys an example. Which branch is closest to you? I'm going to say Greenville and hit next. They're going to also ask you for your phone number. I'm going to go ahead and put in a fake number. It's going to also ask you for your email address. And then you're going to go ahead and continue. Then they're going to ask you what accounts are you interested in. So they have the savings, checking, money market, or a CD. I'm going to put in a checking account. Then we're going to go ahead and go next. And then they're going to ask you, would you like to receive communication on other products and promotions? So, as far as personal loans or auto loans, you're going to either click yes or no. There's no wrong answer to that, but I'm going to click yes. And then you're going to go to the end where they're going to see that they received your submission. So, after that process, it approximately takes a few days to approve whether or not you have been accepted by First Flight. Okay. Now, they also have other products as well. We're going to go ahead and go back. So we talked about their mortgage. They also have auto loans as low as 4%. We're going to go ahead and click apply. Now, these auto loans, from what they are saying, are very simple and easy. You can choose an auto loan from First Flight, and it can save you some time and money. Quick online process, lets you know in minutes, and you can also pre-qualify before they even pull your credit, which offers service and warranty packages. Okay, now you can get a auto loan for new and used auto loans, online pre-qualification, and fast closing loan up to 130% LTV financial and flexible rates and terms. You can also ask about auto check programs where they can email a check which you can take to the dealer as soon as you're approved. And it's like having cash on hand from what they are saying. They also have refinance it and private purchase options, affordable options. Managing your loan is easier than ever with online and mobile banking and automatic payments. So their new auto loan rates are at 4%. Their used auto loan rates are at 5%. Now, again, you could pre-qualify and get your estimate rates and loans amounts before you're actually approved. So again, this Blender does have some really great rates. And very low rates. And it's like I said, it's not a hard process in order to join First Flight Federal Credit Union. You just go through that first step that I initially showed you guys before we got into the vehicle loans in order to join. They want to go ahead and look at their other things that they offer as well. We talked about their mortgages. They have business accounts, personal loans that you can be approved for. If you are a member, you can be approved up to $2,000, but this is all based on credit worthiness. The process takes a few minutes to complete, and the funds are deposited directly into your first flight account as soon as you accept the offer. Now, in order to be approved for their personal loan, you must have a 700 credit score and above to be able to be approved. Now, you can apply online. You can give them a call at their number that's listed on their website, or you can visit a local financial center. Then you can also view your lending rates as well. They have 30-year fixed rates, 2015, 10, and the APR is up to 71.20%, which is at 30 years. They have as low as 6, as low as 5, and as low as another 6. So these are the rates that you can be looking at for a mortgage fixed rate. And then for the lot loans, they have rates that's as high as 7%. So yeah, they definitely do have a better selection of rates. So if you guys did enjoy this video where I brought you some information on the First Flight Federal Credit Union, make sure you give this video a likes and a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so every time I post a new video, you can be notified.